Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my FabFitFun Summer 2024 annual subscription box. It's really small, and I'm trying to remember, actually it's not even sealed because it came in a bigger package. I also received a home mystery bundle, a refill one, and a surprise Couture thanks for renewing your annual membership bundle, which I will unbox for you as well. In customization number 1, I received the Beach Riot top. I received it in small medium, and I was hesitant as to what size to choose. Because it's oversized, I would never call myself a small, but because it's oversized, oh wow, what? This is the small medium. I am very glad I got the small medium. This is massive. I knew it was oversized. I did not know it was this oversized. Gosh, I feel like I could put this on over top of what I'm wearing, sweater and all. This is a shock. This whole box is very surprising. Anyways, because when you see the other things that are coming, let's just put this on for a second. All right, so here is the Beach Riot top. I am so glad that I got this in the small size. This is already giant, and I can't even imagine it being bigger. I know it's supposed to be oversized, and that's nice, and it's not really specifically well suited potentially for this outfit, but this is what it looks like on. So that is how I intended to wear it. So the sleeves, I would say, are a little bit short. The one thing that's not oversized about this are the sleeves. So we could almost make it like a 3/4 length and roll it up so that it doesn't look like it's awkwardly not the right size. But it's a pretty color. I like the color. Let's just keep it on for the rest of the video. That was my customization number 1. Box has a little bit of a pink and orange theme happening here. I did choose the Amika shampoo and conditioner. I actually went into Sephora and I smelled these. They smell quite nice. I got the blue Amika set in a previous box. I didn't love it. I didn't dislike it, but it wasn't anything spectacular. So I thought I would give this a try and see if this was something that I would enjoy. So that is for my customization number 2. Customization number 3 always gets me every single time. I don't know why. My favorite category is customization 3, but it's usually the category I have the hardest time deciding between. And this time I went with the Beach Riot. Again with the Beach Riot. It's a real theme going on here. You'll see the Beach Riot bags. Oh, they kind of look like they're dirty, actually. I liked that these were see-through. So the one opens up all the way. And the reason why I got these is because I actually want to use them for storage in my craft room. I actually have the perfect spot. I know exactly where they're going to go. So I love that this opens up like this because I can put stuff in it. I was thinking of putting my lace and trim and things in here. I love that you can see through it, so you can see everything that's in there. And then with the second bag, only actually opens a half zip, which I guess is handy if you were containing a bunch of mascara and things and putting them in there. But they are something that I will use and I'm happy to have. So that is my category number 3. So there's the Beach Riot logo there. In customization number 4, I had to go with the Amika Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. definitely thought it would be good to pair this with the shampoo and conditioner and then try them together as a set and see if they work well for my hair. So that's the customization number 4. Just moving right along here. Customization number 5, I chose the alley-oop. I really went back and forth on this customization for number 5, and I have been wanting, and let's even just put it on right here, a highlighter, to replace one that I have that could be used in the inner corner and the brow bone. So I'm happy with that, actually, right now that I see it, and it's actually what I had intended it for. So yay. And then customization number 6, I did go ahead and get the Blink tubing mascara. I had never heard of tubing mascara before. I'm currently wearing the Thrive mascara that came in the spring box. And so I won't open this one because I wanted to give it some time before I actually need it so that it's not like drying out or anything. I have 2 other boxes coming. I have another annual and a seasonal. The annual is also in Canada and the seasonal is in the US. So that's my box. Now, for the rest of the products in the box, I received a home mystery bundle and a Juicy Couture free bundle. Welcome me back to subscribing to this. So I renewed an annual account, and because of that, they have sent me a Juicy Couture bundle. Beach Riot. I am really like a Beach Riot girl here, matching with all the pink and the orange. So that's cute. The sad part about this towel is it's very microfiber, and I actually have this in a donation bin to donate. It's practically brand new. I've hardly ever used it. I don't reach for it because it's got that microfibery feel. So I guess now I have a pair of them to donate. The Juicy product that I received in this Juicy Couture bundle is another sort of cosmetic bag, which is funny because I have these ones that I chose in my box. And let's take a look inside. Well, I do like the inside of it. What have we got here? We've got the label. Don't see any other pockets. A bottle. A second compartment pocket. Gorgeous blush pink inside there, and that is the label. So I got a towel from Beach Riot, a Juicy Couture travel cosmetic bag. I also got a pair of shampoo and conditioner. So the funny thing about this is, like, I chose the shampoo and conditioner in my box, and I got an extra shampoo and conditioner in my mystery bundle. I haven't even opened this yet from my spring 2024 box. I'm happy to have it. I could always use shampoo and conditioner. So this is definitely a win. It's something that I wish I had tried so I could review for you and tell you what I thought about it. Anyways, it's the Super Thick shampoo and conditioner. So that's a really good value there. And then the last thing that I got in my box was this Couture heel treatment. So the thing that I think is really quite interesting about this bundle that I've received is that I could have chosen the foot heel souffle product in my customizations. I did choose the shampoo and conditioner. I did choose the travel bags. I did choose the Beach Riot. So in some ways it's really well coordinated, and in other ways it seems like a lot of duplicate kind of things. I don't know. What do you think of that mystery bundle? It said about a $200 value. I definitely see the value is there on those 4 items. Definitely great from that perspective. Is it great for me? I'm not really sure. It's definitely not a $200 value for me, but it's nice that they offered that to me. I was going to renew anyways, so that was just a bonus, really. So, oh, sadly, I saw some of the unboxings for the mystery refill home bundle. And I was so excited when I saw those reveals because there was something I really wanted and needed and would have liked in the US refill home mystery bundle. I was worried that maybe the Canadians or internationals got a different bundle, and either we do get a different bundle or we're getting a different version of the bundle. I didn't get the one that I was hoping for either way. So this is my mystery bundle refill for home specifically. And again, it's got the pink box. It looks like it is a Lily Pulitzer insulated stemless tumbler. I'm not going to complain about the fact that it's pink. Definitely seeing a theme. Gosh, that's actually really gorgeous. It says Sunny State of Mind, Lily Pulitzer. So I'm really glad to receive that. I do enjoy my other Lily Pulitzer mugs. I don't really need more mugs. I'm not going to turn this down. It matches my room. Gosh, it could just go on display here for decorations on one of my shelves or something. So I actually quite like that, even though I didn't get the lunch bag that I really had wanted, the Business Pleasure lunch bag tote in blush pink. I used the yellow one that came in a previous box to the point that it's actually falling apart, and I could have done with a new one. So I didn't get that, but I did get some pretty cute things. Oh, I almost ordered these actually. Well, that's interesting. So these are these really cute baskets that you hang on the wall, and I can hang them in my craft room, and it's perfect because right here I chose this beautiful basket that I've been storing some of my special trims inside, and it sits on my desk. I actually thought it was going to be the same exact color. It's different, however. That is nice. I will use these. I have a pair of them. I was thinking I could probably even hang these on my SCADAS board. The idea is that the back is flat and then the basket sits out. So they're supposed to lay like flat against the wall, and then you can fill them with things inside. So this is definitely something I will use and I think is quite beautiful. So that is very nice home item. I got 2 of those, and also with that I got the hooks that go with it. So if you wanted to actually put it in the wall and hook them that way, you could do that. But I have some SCADAS board hooks that are very much like this for my IKEA boards in the back. You can see the SCADAS board in the background, and these are going to be a nice addition to that. So I'm happy for that. There's so many surprises in this box. One of which being I didn't even know which box it was that was coming for me. So this is my renewal annual box. And then this is the last product, and it is the Cloud Cheese Board. So that is a really cute tray. It's cloud shaped, and you know what? Again, I don't think I'll use it as a cheese board. I think I'll use it in my craft room. I'm actually really excited about this now that I think about it not necessarily being for food, although it is food safe, and that was the purpose of the design of this. But for those of you who know, like, I like to make dangles and charms to hang off of my binders and stuff. I can use this cloud to sort my materials as I'm doing like jewelry making essentially. And that is super cute, and it matches because my whole room is this white and sort of like birch wood look to it. So yay, that is fantastic. I'm actually really excited. So I was initially kind of sort of disappointed that I didn't get that lunch bag, but I'm actually really excited with this cute pink and gold cup, cute cloud tray, and then these beautiful hanging baskets that I actually saw these as a choice in the add-ons and almost chose these. So all in all, a good box. What do you think of my mystery home bundle? Did you see the one in the US? Is this an international home mystery bundle? Or I know there are more than one mystery bundle options, but I think I might actually say subscribe to this mystery bundle. I initially subscribed to it because I had a credit on my account from something else in the past, and I thought, well, I'll subscribe to the mystery bundle to just get a surprise. Yet one of the things I was thinking about using with my credit was purchasing these little bags. So that's amazing. Wow. All in all, that was a fun unboxing. What did you think? Has your box arrived yet? Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you got your box. Did you get any larger size than this? I'm like shocked at how big this shirt is. I'm so glad I went with a small. It's exactly actually what I was hoping it would be. And I totally intended to wear it as a shirt, probably with a white top underneath, and to tie it up around the waist. So overall, I'm quite happy with this box. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see what it is that's coming in my other 2 boxes, there's more surprises to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.